Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. So today is very exciting because we're going to do hashtag research to help you grow as fast as possible. I'm going to show you how I do hashtag research step by step while doing my hashtag research, and I want you to do yours with me. So if you're watching this video, you probably already know that hashtag research is one of the most important steps of growing your Instagram profile, because that's where new people find you, hopefully visit your profile, and maybe even become your customers. So it's really important you do it right because it plays a huge part in the growth of your profile. I've used the system that I'm about to show you a million times on many different clients, and I have to tell you it really works. And I know that because I analyzed the reach of hashtags before and after implementing this strategy. Alright, so this is how we're going to do this. I'm going to walk you step by step while doing my hashtag research, and I want you to do yours with me. So it will be like a little workshop. So by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 hashtag sets you will be able to use on all of your posts. But first, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. We're going to start right away, but in order to understand how to do hashtag research, you have to understand how hashtags work. So I created this video on my hashtag strategy, so if you haven't seen that yet, pause this video, go to that video, and then come back. But basically, there are 2 ways where you can get found through hashtags. One is the latest posts, where posts are sorted in chronological order, and the other one is top posts. Since posts in a recent post section usually disappear quickly, we're going to try and get our posts to the top posts category. If you rank here, your post can be visible for weeks or even months, which will get you a lot of exposure, and you know what that means. A lot of new followers and customers. So we can sort hashtags by different sizes. They go from small ones, which are less popular, to large ones, which are more popular. So you can see how big or popular a hashtag is when you search it in the search bar and see the number of posts under it. The popular hashtags are usually very broad, like hashtag love, which has millions and millions of posts, while smaller ones are usually more niche and specific. So as you can imagine, it's easier to rank for smaller, less popular hashtags, but they will also give you less exposure than the large ones. So that's why I want to create a mix of hashtags, different sizes, and hope for the snowball effect. So the goal is to rank for the smaller hashtags, which will hopefully get you the engagement you need to rank for medium-sized hashtags, which will again hopefully get you enough engagement to rank for the large hashtag. So we're going to create these 5 hashtag sets of 30 hashtags with the right mix of hashtag sizes for the size of your account. So that's enough of the boring theory. Let's get down to business. The only thing we're going to need is Excel sheets and Instagram. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is set up a spreadsheet like this. We're going to create 3 columns, small, medium, and big, and 5 categories, which will be your content pillars. You can create this spreadsheet by yourself, or you can download it in the description below. Alright, so now that we have the spreadsheet, we're going to start filling in the categories. This will be the types of posts or topics you post on your Instagram, aka your content pillars. I would also do a general one, which will be a bit broader than the other ones, so you can have some more flexibility. Alright, so now just pause this video and take some time to come up with your categories. Categories can also be location, if it makes sense for your business. So I'm a social media manager, and my content pillars on Instagram are Instagram tips, Instagram apps, social media news, social media planning, and then I'm going to do one that's a little bit more general. All right, so now we're going to start filling out the spreadsheet. So for each of these categories, we're going to add small, medium, and large hashtags. The size of the hashtags is determined by the number of posts posted under this hashtag. You can see that number by searching for that hashtag and seeing the number of posts under it. I would strongly suggest you do that on Instagram for desktop, which will save you so much time. So I wrote the sizes we're going to be looking for under each hashtag size, but if you have your own spreadsheet, just add these numbers. All right, so now we're going to start brainstorming. Go category by category and start adding the hashtags into your spreadsheet according to the size and category. So when I think of a hashtag that I could be adding to the social media news category, I'm first going to check the size of this hashtag and then add it to the right column and category. So add as many hashtags as possible, but make sure that they are still relevant. So pause this video and play it again when you run out of ideas. So when you run out of ideas, ask yourself, what is my target market searching for? Then check out the hashtags from other people in your industry, go on one of the hashtags and see which hashtags are other people using for that topic. You can also Google your topic and go through articles to try and get some inspo. So this might take long, but don't give up. The good news is that you only have to do this once. All right, so now our spreadsheet is finally done. Now the only thing we have left to do is to create hashtag sets. We have to create one hashtag set for each one of the categories. Each set will contain 20 to 30 hashtags of different sizes. If you have a smaller following, you'll be more focused on the smaller hashtags because you'll have a higher chance of ranking that way. But if your following is bigger, then you'll be more focused on medium and large hashtags. So I've created this graph to help you out. So this is the number of followers and this is the quantity of hashtags you should include from each hashtag group. All right, so first write the name of the category and then start adding the hashtags under it. So you're gonna have these 5 sets saved in your notes or wherever, and every time you want to post, just choose the one that you think fits your post the most and just copy paste it to Instagram, maybe delete hashtags that are not relevant for that post, and that's it. All right guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!